How to choose the right lender. Another bankruptcy survival strategy from Brian Douglas. Hey, it's Brian. After bankruptcy, forget the big banks. They won't help you. First of all, they've got hard and fast policies that'll keep you out of the borrowing arena for at least 1 year, probably 2 to 3 years after your discharge. They are scared of you. Run from them. They're not flexible. They just don't get it. And as I said a minute ago, it's going to take 2 or 3 years before they finally get to a comfort level where they're going to be willing to work with you. These guys are not your friends. Avoid them like the plague. And by the way, they may tell you that they'll work with you if you're bankrupt, but after you start seeing the fine print of their policies, you'll learn the truth that they're really not there to be your friend. But there is an alternative and a much better way. What is that better way? It's your small local community bank or credit union. Now, these local community banks and credit unions are designed and were created for small businesses and for the actual community of real people. Now, I do say here on the screen that you want an established one, and I want you to have an established one for one very important reason. A new bank or a new credit union, and they're sometimes called de novo banks, they are in existence for maybe a year, 2 or 3, and they're under a lot of scrutiny by local, state, and federal regulators. So you want to be careful about working with those guys because they can't be as flexible as a bank or credit union that may be 5 or 6 years old or older. So search for the older bank or credit union that's established. When you find that particular credit union or credit unions and you want to establish a relationship with at least one, but interview a few of them, see who you feel most comfortable with. Talk to the president of that bank or credit union. Yes, I said talk to the president. You want to talk to the person that's in charge, and usually the president of that credit union has an equity stake in that community bank. So you want to absolutely talk to that particular person. They are entrepreneurs. Their job is to build the business of that establishment. And you don't want to be asking them for a loan today. You want to talk about your future. You want to talk about their future. You want to talk about what the bank's purpose is and how you may be able to work together in a future relationship. Now, by the way, they love businesses. They love new businesses, small businesses, and community businesses. And while you may not have a business right now, you will in the future, especially when you follow the strategies I'll share with you in the bankruptcy survival system. You want to have a business of your own so that you can take advantage of certain tax benefits, but moreover, you want a business of your own that will ultimately replace the business of your current job. So they love new businesses. They want to help them grow and expand, and that's what you'll want to create as you develop with them a long-term relationship. You may be exactly the client that they're looking for. They want to help people grow and prosper with them and understand that if they've been doing business with local businesses, they know about what the economy's been doing. They understand bankruptcy because they've seen it before. By going in and being straight out with them, explaining your situation, showing them your credit report, and asking them how they would recommend you reestablish themselves and how they would recommend you build your relationship together, you may discover this is the absolutely perfect long-term relationship, not just for them, but for you as well. Want to learn more? I put together 20 free videos that cover the top issues you probably have about how to bounce back from bankruptcy and how you can get your groove back fast. Plus, you'll also get my exclusive video, The 7 Keys to Bouncing Back from Bankruptcy, absolutely free. These powerful videos will help you get back on track, restore your good credit, and help you build the life you want. Just visit www.bksurvivalsystem.com/free right now. That's bksurvivalsystem.com/free. We'll see you there.